Final testifier is Kellyann Schmidt. Go ahead, Kellyann Schmidt.
Hey, thank you, the members of the committees. My name is Kellyann, and I want to testify and support Bill 162. I'm an independent repair shop. I repair computers, smartphones, Wi-Fi, everything that is electronic, actually. Thing is, I grew up in the planned obsolescence era, and things are built to fill. They are not built to last. It's quantity over quality, profit over planet, waste dressed up as innovation, devices without character, built for profit was reliability, capitalism. The knife always cuts on two sides, and that metaphor is true. Both can be used for the good and the bad. And then it's what I'm talking about is all the security risks and whatever people are afraid of when they release schematics, firmwares, documentation, and whatever to repair the hardware or the software, because both can go bad. Obviously, you can have a software failure or an hardware failure, and in both cases you need access to resolve these issues. But we don't have any access, which results in a massive pollution of resources of the planet that we waste. We waste money. We waste it.
Mr. Schmitz, thank you for your testimony. That concludes public testimony on this bill. Are there questions for the bill sponsor?